The Chatterpix Kids App is an engaging app that allows students to take a photograph and turn it into an animated speaking item. Let me show you how to use this app. To get started, you are going to look for Chatter Kid App on your iPad. Tap this app to get started. On the main page, you will choose Take Photo. On this screen, the first time you use it, you will see a small pop-up that asks you how you would like the student to access photos. If by chance your student has chosen to not allow access, then the next time you use this app, you will see the message that is displayed on this screen. I'm going to walk you through these troubleshooting tips really quick, so that way you'll know what to do if you get in this issue. You'll notice it says, please go to Settings, Privacy, Photos, and set Chatter Kid to On. I will tap my home button. I will find the Settings app, which looks like a gear. I will scroll down the list of apps until I see the app that says Chatter Kid. Tap on this app, and then to the right-hand side where it says Photos, you will tap the word None, and then you will choose All Photos. This allows students to take photos with the Chatterpix Kids app. Tap your home screen to get out of the settings, and then go back into your Chatter Kid app. Once again, we will choose Take Photo, and now you are going to click OK on accessing the camera in this app. Now you'll notice you see a picture of my document camera because this app is showing the view of what's facing it. So if your students are taking a picture of something else, then they will need to choose this little icon at the bottom that turns the camera so that you're using the camera on the back of the device. If your student has already taken a photo of an item, then they can choose this square to access their item. If not, and they're trying to take a new picture, they will point their camera in the direction of the item they want to capture, and they will choose the yellow button here. Since I've already taken a photo, I will tap the square, and then I will choose the photo that I want to animate. On the next screen, you will need to click Next to go there. On this screen, you will see a hand motion to direct you to draw a line for the mouth on your object. The line must be in a straight line, and once you do this, it will enable the speaking icon to appear at the bottom. Tap the face or the item that you want to make the mouth for and drag across to the right and let go. Now you see I am ready to record with my microphone. Tap the microphone to record your message. You can record up to 30 seconds of audio. The first time you use this, you will need to say OK to give permission to access the microphone.
Record in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello, my name is Sally the Squirrel, and I am here to teach you how to use the Chatterpix Kids app. Notice when I was done recording, I did have to click the button at the bottom, and then it automatically directs me to a page where I can listen to my audio and make sure that the mouth moves correctly.
Hello, my name is Sally the Squirrel, and
I can see that it does work correctly, so I can go to the next page. However, if it didn't work or I wanted to re-record, I can click the microphone at the bottom. Let me go to the next screen. On this screen, you have options for customization. You can choose the row right here with the ducks to add filters to your page, which you will see will change the way that your picture looks. You can also have some tools at the bottom. Perhaps your students might want to add a sticker to the picture. They can drag, they can pinch to resize, they can even turn stickers. Or perhaps they want to add a frame to this picture. Lots of options in this app. We also sometimes encourage our students to add their name to their digital image, especially if you're going to be sharing this on Seesaw or another location. So you can click on the T for text and see the A right there. You're going to get a list of A's. These are really fonts that the children can choose which one they want to use. So I will choose this font. You can direct your students to type in their name. So I will type in mine, and they can choose what color they want their name to appear. The next step is for them to tap on the green check to put their name on the page. Just like the stickers, they can move their name and they can resize by pinching and dragging around to a location that they like. Once they are done, they can click the next icon. From here, they can play their digital item to see how it speaks. They can also download this item if they would like to then upload it to Seesaw or do something else with it in another app. There is a trash can app in case the student wants to start over. And that's pretty much how you use the Chatterpix app. If you went to a gallery, you would see all the other Chatterpix creations that are stored and saved on this iPad and this app, or you can go back and start again.